This tank is replacing a couple of other tanks. So this is the new white fur tank. It replaces the old white fur tank and what we used to refer to as the old Zone 3 tank. And so the combined volume of this tank is greater than those two tanks combined. Both those old tanks were constructed of 70s era, bolted steel. They were beyond their useful life, so it was time for them to come down. And so we've constructed this tank here just recently. We're really proud of the design of this tank. Everything about this tank that you can see and things you can't see are intentional. There's not a piece of this tank that a lot of thought hasn't gone into. This building here has a pump station. So for all the hilltop residents around here, if we just relied on the gravity from the top of this tank to these hilltop customers, there wouldn't be enough pressure to really provide you any water. So this booster station supplies you a constant pressure so you have the right pressure at your home. What's nice about this one now, besides its modern state-of-the-art equipment inside, behind here is a generator with an automatic transfer switch. So you should rarely see times when you're out of water because we've lost power up here. For those of you who've been here since the 70s, like I have been, we know how often we can lose power around here, and a lot of times when you're out of power, you're out of water too. So we're really happy to be able to provide that service to you. One of the cool things that happened during this construction is there was a thought to harden it. There's very little wood showing, if any wood showing, on the exterior side of this tank, so it should hold up to any kind of fires. Again, we're really proud to show off this tank.
So at the top of the tank, there's a big supply fan that pushes air into the tank, cools down the tank. We added these gooseneck vents up top to get the air out. One other thing that we started standardizing on is the color of the tank. We did some experiments with temperature and humidity sensors, and we're finding that with the forced air and the lighter colored tank, we were able to keep the headspace of that tank cooler by sometimes up to 20 to 30 degrees. So just adding the forced air, the exterior roof rafters, in a lighter color, we've dramatically extended the tank life.